Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to archive highlights on Instagram. Please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. After your stories expire, they will automatically get saved in your story archives, and from there, you can put them as highlights. Only you can access your archives. This archiving feature also helps you to save space on your device. You can use this feature to reuse, retouch, or just revisit past Instagram stories. This tutorial will work on both Android and iOS, so don't think that if I'm showing you this on Android, it will not work on iOS. To archive highlights on Instagram, first, update your Instagram app if it's not updated. Open your Instagram app, go to your profile, tap on the menu, tap on Archive, tap here and select the Stories archive. Tap on these three dots, tap on Settings, turn on the Save Story to Archive option. From now on, your stories will get saved in archives, and from archives you can add stories to highlights. And even if you delete your highlights, they will always be available in your story archives. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.